Assalamu alaikum guys, food on the go. So now I'm at JFK and after pray I feel a little hungry. It's lunchtime anyway. I supposed to go home, but today I'm working a little longer. So I just got this from this guy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's okay, I'm not used to this food. This is I think this guy from Uzbekistan or somewhere. So anyway, thank you guys. I want to share with you guys one story today. Alhamdulillah, I just got my first payment from Facebook today. The money is in my account and I cannot express my happiness enough but how happy I am. It's only $23, but it's not just about the amount. It's about proving the system that although I lost a lot of money, but I'm on the track. I'm building a system. I prove it that I can make money out of this journey also. But I don't take no credit for this. I give credit to all my viewers, all the people who commented. Doesn't matter, positive, negative, whatever. Somebody just laughed. It still helps. The algorithm loves it. People who are just watching, not commenting, not saying nothing, keep watching, and inshallah I will build something out of this journey, inshallah. And of course this $23, as soon as I saw the money was coming, I made an intention I will give this $23 to my parents. Although I'm supporting them in any way all the time, but this $23 I will give them, especially to my mom. She can get anything she wants.